Hey guys, it's me, Deja Marie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be turning these cute dress pants into a really cute Valentine's Day dress. The first thing I did to the pants was turn them inside out, seam rip the inner crotch area all the way down the pant leg, and take off the waistband. After seam ripping, I'm going to fold my pants in half, then I'm going to sew a straight line all the way down from the top to the bottom of the pant leg, and this will make for the back of my dress. Now turn the pants back to the way that they were, and the best way for anything to get made on this channel is for me to use something that I already have and like the fit of, so I'm going to trace this dress, making sure to add seam allowance. The dress that I'm tracing is a little bit too small, so as I'm tracing, I'm going to add about an inch or two to the side of the dress, still including my seam allowance. The look I'm going for is a deep V-neck, but not this deep, so I'm going to mark about where I want to start my V-neck and sew up to that point, as well as sewing from the armpit to the bottom of the dress. After sewing, it's time to work on the shoulder straps. Mine were about 2.5 inches wide. I'm just going to sew a straight line across both of them. Then, in order to hem the armhole, I'm going to cut off this excess material on both sides and proceed to do a rolled hem. I'm going to fold it over once, and then I'm going to fold it over again, and then sew all the way around the armhole like that. After hemming my armholes, I'm going to try my dress on just to make sure I don't need to widen my side seams before I trim my excess material. The next step is to hem off the V neckline, and I'm going to do the same, fold over, then fold it over again, all the way around it. At this point in the dressmaking process, I thought it would be a great idea to put double slits at the bottom of the dress. So that is what you see me here, free-handing, cutting a slit. I'm going to take this little triangle piece that I just cut out, and then I'm going to move it over here so I made sure that I had even triangles. I 100% do not recommend cutting these slits without knowing exactly what it is that you're doing. After cutting my pieces, I'm going to hem all the way around the bottom of the dress, including the arches of the slits that I just made. And this is my final result. This dress turned out absolutely cute. This is a DIY project that I will absolutely do again and again and again. It is so easy to do. Tell me what you guys think of the dress in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!